Hello, and welcome to this course on AutoCAD 2016. First off, I would like to thank you for opening this course and point out the fact that the best way to benefit from this course is to actually practice what I show you. And the best way for you to do that is to go to autodesk.com. Autodesk is the creator of AutoCAD, Maya, Rivet, and many more. Okay, so let me show you how you can use a free trial 30-day version of the software that you want to learn. So this is their front page. If you scroll down to here, free resources, you will find free trials. Click on download a free trial. Just give it a moment. Okay. Then you have free CAD software trials. So I'm going to select AutoCAD. Okay. In here you'll have to put an email address. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Download now. Please read the terms and conditions carefully. Okay. I encourage you to read this so you know your legal rights. Okay. Definitely you don't want to agree to something you might regret. Okay. Okay. Continue. And it should start downloading. Somewhere down here, hopefully. Oh, give me a download window. Okay, it's already set to the desktop. That's fine with me. Alright. Let's open this up and see what we got. Oops. See how many of those I opened. Yep, I opened 2. We'll run this one, the first one. Okay. Oh, so this is downloading, but it's going a lot faster than I expected. I was going to stop the recording until it was done, but the benefit of this is also on their website they do have tutorials and trainings as well, and I don't recommend only learning from one source, but my focus is for you to try and pass the Autodesk exam for AutoCAD. I do believe it's good to have certification of skills. Okay? If you're looking to work in this field, it's always good to have some sort of proof. My courses don't offer certification, but I'm going to try and teach you as much as possible to be able to pass the certification. But like I'm going to start saying from now on is it's always good to have multiple sources and as much knowledge as possible. I'm also going to take this exam after I'm done teaching this course and see if I pass it or not. Again, I have a few years of experience with AutoCAD, so that might put you at a disadvantage compared to me, but I'll try and teach everything I know, and hopefully it will be enough to pass the exam. Okay. Well, it took about 10 minutes for it to finish downloading, and we got to this screen here. So yes, we want to install it on this computer. So we'll go here and see how long this one takes. Okay, so it gave me a warning, a little box that said I had so and so much memory. Okay, so basically what it says, it needs about 9 gigabytes to install. It's not going to use 9 gigabytes, but to be on the safe side, it always says more than it needs. But for me, I don't want to put everything in my C drive because I don't have much left. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my, I took a look. In my E drive, I have about 200 free gigabytes, so I decided I'm going to use the same installation path. I'm just going to change this to E. Okay, I'm just going to go with the default selections. I'm not going to really change that much. Since it's free, might as well. So let's go ahead and see. Disk space required, it's at 9, available was 3.8. That was on my C drive. The installation, once you install it, it's only going to be like 700 megabytes. But I don't know why they have this kind of requirement. Just, I guess, because a lot of AutoCAD programs, projects take up a lot of space. Let's see, it's saying that again to me. Required. Let's try F then. I'm just going to copy this. Okay. It looks like it's trying to install it in multiple locations, actually. So what do we do in this type of situation? Let's see, maybe I can go ahead and remove some of these. Oh, I got it down to 4. I'm going to take out all the extra features that probably are taking up space. Since I'm just going to teach the basics, I don't need all of the Express tools, Seek, transfer, all these different things. Okay. Now let's see how much it takes. Yeah, I was hoping that would. I'm going to put this on hold and see if I can't get myself 1.1 gigabyte of extra space to do this. So, excuse me. Okay. So I went in and I uninstalled a lot of the applications and programs that we did not need on this computer. Though it was the mistake of whoever installed this version of Windows, who only put 40 gigabytes for C drive and well over 250 for D and E. Why would you put those drives as way more 5 times more than the main memory. Enough ranting from me. So I'm going to wait a little bit and pause this just because I'm not going to let you guys wait for 2.9 gigabytes worth of download. Just no point in me talking and talking the whole time. Okay, the 2.9 gigabyte download is finally finished. Let's take a look here. What does it say? You have successfully installed the selected products, which is the bare minimum because we removed everything else because we're not going to need them at this moment. For future, maybe if we want to go into more advanced features, we might go and install them again. So let's click Finish and see what happens. Okay. So I'm guessing it really did just finish. Okay. One thing before I try that out is I wanted to point out. How do I get this off? Well, let me just reload this page here. Because down here, I wanted to point this out that this one I was going to show. Okay. Down here, students can get a free software for 3 years. This is if you're studying at a university or an institute that has a .edu. So see how here it's .com. If where you're studying can give you an email that says .edu, if you go in here, you can actually have it instead of for 1 month. You can get a copy that lasts 3 years. It's designed usually for university students. Usually university students who go into civil engineering and architecture and whatnot, they don't start using AutoCAD and these types of softwares for the first year. So that's why it's for 3 years. Just thought I'd point that out. Let's check this out here. See if it works. First run, initializing. Yep, it is the first run. Just wait and see how long it takes for it to initialize all the different components. Just to check that everything was downloaded and working correctly. Okay, so we're just going to say activate, or nope, we're going to try for 30 days. Okay. Looks good. So that will end our lesson for today. Since this is the first one, the next one will start to show how to arrange things and maybe even get rid of the start window and so on and so forth. Thank you for joining. Have a great day.